everyone, and welcome back to Englipro, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again. How are you today, Emily?
I'm great, Mark, thank you. I'm very happy today. How are you?
I'm very good, thanks. You look happy.
Yes, I had a very good weekend. It was fun.
A good weekend. That's wonderful. My weekend was good, too.
Oh, nice. Talking about the weekend is a great topic. It's something we do every Monday.
Yes, exactly. At work, with friends, people always ask, how was your weekend?
That's a perfect idea for our episode today. Let's talk about our weekends. It's a great way to practice English.
I love that idea. It's simple and very useful. Let's do it.
Great! But first, a small reminder for everyone listening. If you like our podcast, please give us a like.
Yes, and subscribe to Englipro Channel and share this episode with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Thank you, everyone. Okay, Mark, let's talk. You first. How was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing. I was a little tired from the week, so I wanted a quiet weekend.
A quiet weekend sounds nice. So, what did you do on Saturday?
Well, on Saturday morning, I slept late.
Sleeping late is the best part of the weekend.
It is. After that, I made a big breakfast. Coffee, eggs, and toast.
That sounds delicious. A good breakfast is a great start to the day.
Yes. In the afternoon, I went to the park. I read a book on a bench.
Oh, how lovely. Was it sunny?
It was beautiful, sunny and warm. The park was full of people, families, children, dogs.
That sounds so peaceful. What book did you read?
It's a book about animals. Very simple and interesting. I like to read in the park.
Me too. Nature is a great place to read. And what about Saturday evening?
In the evening, I was at home. I listened to some music and cooked dinner.
You cooked? Wow! What did you make?
I made pasta. It was simple, but very tasty.
I love pasta. So your Saturday was very calm and relaxing.
Yes, exactly. Sleep, food, a book, and music. A perfect Saturday for me. What about you, Emily? What did you do on Saturday?
My Saturday was a little different. It was busy, but fun.
Oh, a busy Saturday. Tell me more.
In the morning, I cleaned my apartment.
Cleaning. The not-so-fun part of the weekend.
Yes, but I like a clean home. I put on some music, so it was okay.
Music helps. Good idea. And after you cleaned?
In the afternoon, I went shopping with my friend Sarah.
Shopping? That sounds fun. Did you go to the mall?
Yes, we went to the big mall downtown. We looked at clothes and shoes.
Did you buy anything?
I did! I bought a new blue shirt. It's very nice.
Oh, blue's a great color. I'm sure it looks great on you.
Thank you. After shopping, we were a little tired, so we went to a cafe.
A cafe is always a good idea. What did you have?
I had a cup of tea, and Sarah had a coffee. We also had a piece of chocolate cake.
Ooh, chocolate cake. Now I'm hungry.
It was so good. We talked and laughed a lot. It was a great afternoon with my friend.
That sounds like a wonderful time. Friends, shopping, and cake. And what about the evening?
In the evening, I watched a movie at home.
Oh, me too. Well, I listened to music, you watched a movie. What movie did you watch?
It was a comedy, a very funny movie. I laughed so much.
That's the best. A good laugh is a perfect end to a busy day.
So, your Saturday was quiet and mine was busy.
Yes, it's interesting how different our days were. Okay, my turn. What did you do on Sunday, Mark? My Sunday was very quiet. I like my Sundays to be slow.
That's a good plan for a Sunday.
In the morning, I went for a walk. Not in the park, but around my neighborhood.
A morning walk is very healthy. I like doing that too.
Yes, it feels good. The morning was cool and fresh. After my walk, I went home and read my book again.
You really like that book.
I do. It's very good. In the afternoon, I visited my parents.
Oh, that's so nice. How are they?
They are great, thank you. We had lunch together. My mom is a fantastic cook.
Oh, that's lovely. What did she make for lunch?
She made chicken and rice. It's my favorite.
That sounds delicious. It's so nice to visit family.
It is. We talked for a long time. I helped my dad in the garden a little bit.
That's nice of you. Do they have a big garden?
Not very big, but it has beautiful flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers. It's very colorful.
Wow, it sounds like a perfect Sunday afternoon.
It was. I love spending time with my parents. In the evening, I just relaxed at home. I watched a little TV and went to bed early.
You are ready for Monday.
Exactly. I was relaxed and ready for the new week. So, that was my Sunday. What about you, Emily? What did you do on Sunday?
My Sunday was a mix. A little busy and a little relaxing.
Ooh, a mix. Tell me more.
Well, in the morning, I went to church.
Oh, that's nice. A good way to start a Sunday.
Yes, it was very peaceful. After church, I went to the market, the farmer's market.
Oh, I love the farmer's market. So many fresh fruits and vegetables.
Yes, I bought some apples, bananas, and tomatoes. Everything looked so fresh and colorful.
That's a great way to start a Sunday. Very healthy.
It is! I like to cook with fresh food. So in the afternoon, I was at home and I cooked.
You cooked too? What did you make with your fresh food?
I made a big salad with the tomatoes and a fruit salad with the apples and bananas. I also made some soup.
Wow, Emily, you cooked a lot. That sounds amazing.
Thank you. I like to prepare food for the week. It makes my weekdays easier.
That is so smart. A very good idea.
It helps a lot. After cooking, I was a little tired, so for the rest of the afternoon, I just relaxed.
What did you do to relax?
I sat on my sofa and listened to a podcast.
A podcast. A good choice. An English podcast, I hope.
Of course, it's good practice.
That's great. And your Sunday evening, was it also relaxing?
Yes, I called my sister. She lives in a different city, so we talk on the phone every Sunday.
That's so important, to connect with family.
It is. We talked for about an hour. It was really nice to hear her voice. After that, I read a book before I went to sleep.
So we both read books this weekend.
Yes, it seems we both like to read.
So let's see. Your weekend was church, the market, cooking, and talking with your sister.
And your weekend was sleeping late, reading in the park, cooking pasta, and visiting your parents.
Yes, they were different, but both sound like very good weekends.
I agree. It's nice to hear about your weekend, Mark.
It's nice to hear about yours too, Emily. It gives me ideas for next weekend. Maybe I will go to the park and read a book again.
And maybe I will go to church. It's good to have different kinds of weekends, sometimes busy and social, and sometimes quiet and relaxing.
That is very true. It depends on how you feel.
Exactly. If you have a busy week, maybe you want a quiet weekend.
Yes, and if you're at home all week, maybe you want to go out and see friends.
That's a good point. Weekends are for what you need: fun, rest, family, friends.
I agree 100%. It's your time.
So, for everyone listening, talking about your weekend is easy. You can talk about Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, you can talk about the morning, the afternoon, and the evening.
You can use simple words. I went, I watched, I ate, I met, I was.
And you can talk about how you felt. I was happy. I was tired. I was relaxed.
Exactly. It's a great conversation to have with people.
Well, this was a very fun conversation, Emily. I feel like I know your weekend now.
Me too, Mark. It was great. And I think our time is almost up for today.
Oh, you're right. Time goes by so fast when you're having fun.
It really does. We hope this was helpful for all of you listening at home.
Yes, and now we want to hear from you. We talked about our weekends. Now tell us about your weekend.
That's a great idea, Mark. Please leave a comment below this episode. Tell us one thing you did this weekend.
Yes, did you go to church? Did you see your family? Did you cook a nice meal? Let us know in the comments.
We love reading your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Englipro Channel for more easy and fun English lessons.